Hi, didn't see you there. Me and the old man are doing a South Texas Nagy and Sons bourbon testing. Isn't that right, Dad?
Yes, sir.
We're gonna start with Texas Straight Bourbon. 45% alcohol by volume, 90 proof. Let's start with the sniff test. I get notes of old hickory, Texas dirt, and oil wells.
To me, it smells like it's gonna get me fucked up. So I'm gonna give it. Let's try it.
Wow, Dad, great opinion. The bottle, you can see, is cased with leather. Good firm build. Fort Worth, Texas made. Let's go for the pour.
And as always, Jay, I always like to clean my mouth with hydrogen peroxide in order to clean that taste.
Just so it doesn't get infected.
And you can buy this at any store. So we got this at Dollar General. So it's like $3, but still. All right, let's do it.
All right, Dad.
Damn, Jay, what the fuck did you just do? You can't.
Ugh. Oh my God.
It's got a very good smoky flavor to it, and I could say it's got a definite Texas signature to it. 100%. That's got a Texas burn. Texas burn 100.
I agree, Dad. I can feel that deep southern heat down in my gut. That was wonderful. I enjoyed every moment of that sip. Best shot I've had in weeks. I love bourbon. So, Dad, what do you think on a scale of 1 to 5? Let's give it the final rating.
To be honest with you, I from all the shit that I've had before, I think that's fucking a 5.
I'm gonna have to give it a 3. This is one of 2 whiskeys I've ever really drank, so I don't have a good background. So we'll go with a neutral rating of 3. Thank you for watching. Join us again next time on Nagy and Sons Bourbon Tasting.